struggle, feeling the squeeze. Wanna save some cash and live with ease. Naomi is here, your money guide, helping you grow and turn the tide. Let's talk money, it's time to thrive on Rhythm 95.5. Budget, save, invest and win. Tune in now, let the wealth begin. Let's talk money with Naomi, only on Rhythm 95.5.
And we are back with another episode of Let's Talk Money. Time is now 2:45. Our financial strategist on the inside. Hello, Naomi.
Hi, good afternoon, Steve. Bon après-midi.
Hey. All right. And guys, we're going to be doing a little something here. We will do our very best to have a bit of Creole within this segment here.
Yeah,
I mean, we are
best.
celebrating
Month.
Creole Month, you
Yeah.
know, and there's no reason why we shouldn't try a thing here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you think you can do it? You think you're capable, Naomi?
So what about you? I mean, you're supposed to be my assistant, right?
Yeah, my main job here is to say yes. We. Right? So, anytime you're ready, Naomi, what is it that you have in store for us today?
Okay, so today we're gonna do almost like a wrap up, a summary of some of the topics we've covered for this year.
Right.
Just running through them as reminders, so that persons, as we're coming towards the end of the year, that we remember what has been taught and also put it into practice.
And just a quick reminder, guys. Let's Talk Money has been airing for a year now.
That's
right here on
correct.
Rhythm 95.5.
That's
right?
correct, yes.
So we have learned a few lessons over the past year, and I guess we're bringing all of them together today.
Yeah, some of them, not for the entire 1 year of Let's Talk Money, but
Right.
at least those most of what we covered for 2025.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna start off with just a quick summary of what we've learned for this month,
Right.
where we had NIC on,
Mm-hmm.
and NIC was more about basically. Okay, I'm gonna shoot in a little Creole there.
Yeah. All right.
And then we come to the
We have faith
Yeah.
in you. We have faith in you.
So, for persons listening, and for my Creole listeners, NIC c'est pour le perd l'argent salaire.
Mm.
Right. So it's more for loss of income. So, and it's also our local, Saint Lucia's Social Security Fund,
Right.
and it pays for benefits when there's a loss of income. So
Okay.
there must be a loss of income.
Okay.
Only pour perd salaire.
Right.
Right. So, and that's due to sickness, maternity, employment, injury, retirement, or death.
Okay.
And we would have learned that from what Mrs. 𝒀𝑶𝑼'𝑳𝑳 shared with us on the last two shows.
That's right. And she was our liaison at NIC.
Correct.
Right.
Yes. And some of the things we want to remember is that everything depends on your contributions.
Mm-hmm.
So for self-employed persons that are interested, they should declare their correct income, because under declaring your rightful income, it hurts your future benefits. And if you're self-employed, we also encourage you to register early and pay honestly.
Okay.
And for our employees, we just a quick reminder to verify with your employers that they're paying the NIC, and also that they're paying your NIC, and also you can go to NIC and get a statement to verify that your employer is making your NIC contributions.
Okay.
And our two last things I think was said in both of the shows. NIC is financially planning for your future. It's a financial planning for your future and your family's protection, because, like they say, NIC is for the betterment of us all.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
I don't know how to say that in Creole, sorry.
Is a pour benefits no tout.
Oh, yes.
That's right.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah. And then before that, prior to that, the month before, well, we're in October, so yes, September and June, we would have covered money or misleading money, how to spot scams.
Right.
So, just a reminder that on ne peut point garder les gens qui viennent parler about l'argent, especially les ou en a phone call.
Mm-hmm.
Be very careful, guys. We work hard for our money, so be careful not to enter into pyramid schemes. Be careful with using the social media platforms because they're everywhere.
Pa kite se moun la vole l'argent zot.
That's right. Pakite yo ki non.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. So they might call, they might try WhatsApp, they might try your email, Facebook, everywhere.
Nou ka travay tro wed.
That is right. 𝑽𝑰_મ્. So we want to be careful for get rich quick schemes. Anything that looks like get rich quick, it's a red flag. It's risky promises. So we need to be aware and know the warning signs.
Right.
And the final thing that we had touched on was to protect yourself and your family. Educate yourself and those around you.
Okay.
Right. So, oni pou gade just pa pou call, me pou call exe moun na oueme.
Right.
Right. We also, prior to that, we had like a whole probably month for two talking about insurance. Really going in depth and understanding the importance of insurance, what it's really for. And just to summarize everything about insurance, basically, it's to prepare for unforeseen circumstances.
Right.
So, usa ali ek ni insurance because ou pas sav sa ki fet. So, ni insurance pour a buy ki fet that ou pas sa predict. Sorry for this done. I got it wrong.
Pis ou pa jamais sav sa ki kay fet.
That's right.
Plita la vi.
Correct.
Oni pou pawe
Oui.
kou.
Mm-hmm.
Et puis mette bagay a place pour sa vive. Oui.
Pour préparer quoi pour ça.
Pour Oh my gosh.
So yes, whatever emergency that will be at the time.
Okay, guys, please
so we try.
do forgive us.
Yes,
you know,
right. Yeah.
You know, we are trying our very best here, and of course, if you feel like you want to weigh in and you would like to assist us, feel free to shoot us one of those WhatsApp messages, those lovely, lovely WhatsApp messages.
That's right.
Okay, I will give you the phone number, the WhatsApp number, because let's see here. Okay, the WhatsApp number is 2850955. I mean, if you know the correct pronunciation or the correct word in Creole, we would love to get your
feedback.
Yes, exactly.
It would be nice
So
to
that-
send a voice message or they call.
That's
So
right.
they can just see. Yeah.
So that's 2850955.
That's right.
So go ahead, Naomi.
Yeah. And then prior to the months of just talking about insurance, we had making money, which I think was one of Steve's favorite topic.
Oh yes. Who doesn't
Really
want
wanted
to?
to know.
Who doesn't want to? Like for real, for
Comment
real.
pour faire l'argent, Steve?
L'année toute qualité manière, nous parler about toute qualité bagay pour ça. Tout ça nous ça fait. Oui.
That's right. That's right. So nous parler about service à oni pour faire l'argent. Right?
I suspect even you like that topic because all of a sudden you're Creole fluent. but do proceed.
Yes. Mais nous parler about service à oni pour faire l'argent. De la oni baye kaila ou savon pour faire l'argent. De la oni a chambre qui vide ou sa loy pour faire l'argent. Et nous te mentionné a shy lot manière ou ça fait l'argent. We also spoke about starting small. Comment c'est petit, comment c'est koya pour hen ko ouve ali. Comment c'est à poison. Par esprit plita. So comment c'est à poison ou comment c'est petit, petit café go. So yes, we spoke about that. And we also spoke about having the right mindset. So you need to have the right mindset to make money. Like we said, use what we have available to make money. Both your skills and your resources are important. and to start small. So yes, basically this is most of what we've covered up and wrapping up for the year 2025. The importance of NIC, the importance of being on guard and knowing how to spot scams and not getting yourself misled by money introductions. Yes, you have to make money, but you don't want to end up in something where you lose more money than you make. The importance of insurance and why we should get insurance and different aspects that we can get insurance for apart from vehicle, house, medical, life. We went in depth with that. So if you're interested in any of these topics that I mentioned and even making money, you can, guys, review my YouTube channel at 𝑬𝑬𝑨758. Just type in and you can get all the episodes on making money, insurance, money or misleading, how to spot a scam, all the series on them, and also the last 2 shows we had with NIC, explaining in depth what NIC is about and the benefits that you can receive from NIC. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share this information with others who you feel it would be beneficial for. And just to wrap up today's session, we want to remind you, yes, Steva?
Yes, go ahead and wrap up today's session.
Oh, okay.
Please go ahead and wrap up Let's Talk Money so that I can start Let's Talk Creole with Steva G. Let's go. Go ahead.
Okay, she doesn't want to add her Creole into our Let's Talk Money, I guess. So
we're gonna have a little Creole fun.
Okay, no problem. So guys, don't forget our event towards the end of November. It's November 30th at the Pastoral Center, 2 p.m. Build Your Legacy. It's a masterclass and we speak everything money, mindset, mastery. So if you haven't gotten your tickets as yet, like I said, the tickets are going quickly. So if you haven't gotten yours as yet, don't forget, you can reach out to myself, 𝑁𝑯𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗, at 3844576, or reach out to Sarah Chronicles on Instagram and get your book for your ticket and get it today. So don't forget, guys, secure your future, contribute, verify, protect.
Ooh.
Yes. So that's it for today. Unless Steva would like to add some Creole into it.
All right. So just a few Creole phrases, right? So I'm going to say the English, all right? And I want you to try with the Creole version, right?
Steva, you're supposed to give me that in advance. Why are you quizzing me?
Hello. You came here. You came here flashing your Creole colors.
I'm a Saint Lucian.
Proud
Saint
Lucian.
So I have to wear my Creole colors.
That's right. Very, very good. But we also have to speak the language of our mothers.
Yes, we do.
You understand? So, okay. So I'm going to keep it really simple, really, really easy. Okay.
Guys, let's see if she has it.
Okay. So basic phrases that we use every day.
Okay.
So how do you say "How are you" in Creole?
Come au café.
Okay. Or comment ouye.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you say thank you in Creole?
Merci.
Okay. Our strategists have something there, man. Okay. Excuse me.
So I normally say excusez-moi, s'il vous plaît, but I know it's French.
I know that's French.
Yeah. But yeah, you normally a person say excusez-moi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi is what you say. Excuse me. How do you say I'm sorry?
Pardon.
Very good. Hey, okay. Or you can also say moi désolé.
Yeah,
that's one as well. Also, can you help me?
You're asking someone for help.
Yeah, can you help me?
I've never asked someone for help in Creole. It's a horse in English. So that one never crossed my mind. I have to think about it a little. Yeah.
So
next one.
Usa aide-moi. So usa aide-moi. What you said?
S. Like to me, yeah, it would sound
Usa edemwe?
because if I go to the person, I just say, yeah, I would ask 𝑬𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗. I would be asking you if you can help me.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Okay, so I think you've done good. You've done very well. You know, that was just 5 questions.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of feel like, you know what? Let's not do I was going to say let's do something on the side of finance, but I suspect I will be biting my own tongue too. So. Okay, so I think with that, this is where we wrap up this episode of Let's Talk Money.
That's right.
All right. So again, this is an on-air podcast, guys. You can get the episodes online.
That's right.
Naomi 758.
Yeah, Naomi Jean 758.
Naomi Jean 758.
Yeah.
After a whole year.
Yes,
After
that
an
happens.
Yeah. So that's on YouTube.
Both YouTube
And on
Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah, but for full episodes, so YouTube.
Okay, and you can get short clips on our social media platforms.
That's correct.
That would be both Naomi 758.
Naomi Jean 758
is what I'm telling you.
Yes.
And of course on Rhythm 95.5. All right, guys. So the time is now 3 p.m. and this has been Let's Talk Money.
Yep, until next week.
Are you stuck in the struggle, feeling the squeeze? Wanna save some cash and live with ease? Naomi is here, your money guide, helping you grow and turn the tide. Let's talk money, it's time to thrive on Rhythm 95.5. Budget, save, invest and win. Tune in, now let the wealth begin. Let's talk money with Naomi only